hit on, hit on. To flirt with someone by showing romantic or sexual interest. They were hitting on all night at the party. They were hitting on all night at the party. Split up, split up. To separate or end a relationship. We split up after dating 6 months. We split up after dating 6 months. Move on. Move on. To stop thinking about something sad and focus on the future, like after a breakup or failure. You have to move on this situation. You have to move on this situation. Fall for. Fall for. To fall in love with someone. We fell for each other during the school. We fell for each other during the school. Patch up. Patch up. To fix or repair a broken friendship, relationship or disagreement. I didn't want to patch up with my girlfriend, but I had to do. I didn't want to patch up with my girlfriend, but I had to do. Hook up. Hook up. To engage in a casual romantic or sexual encounter. I hooked up him at the party a year ago. I hooked up him at the party a year ago. Make up. Make up. To become friends again after an argument or fight. I have an argument with her, but I want to make up. I have an argument with her, but I want to make up. Ask out. Ask out. To invite someone on a date. He finally asked out me to go on a date. He finally asked out me to go on a date. Make out. Make out. To kiss or touch someone in a romantic way. They were making out in the car last night. They were making out in the car last night. Go out with. Go out with. To date someone or be in romantic relationship. He has been going out with my sister for 3 months. He has been going out with my sister for 3 months. Drift apart. Drift apart. To slowly become less close to someone, usually in a friendship or relationship. We'd started to drift apart and eventually split. We'd started to drift apart and eventually split. Knock up. Knock up. To make a woman pregnant, slang, informal. She got knocked up by her boyfriend. She got knocked up by her boyfriend. Break up. Break up. To end a relationship. I have just broken up with my girlfriend 3 days. I have just broken up with my girlfriend 3 days. Cheat on. Cheat on. To be unfaithful or dishonest, especially in a romantic relationship. My boyfriend cheated on me. My boyfriend cheated on me. Get back together. Get back together. To start a relationship again after breaking up or separating. They have got back together after splitting. They have got back together after splitting.